this is my cymbal blank I'm going to be using. It's aluminum. It's 1/16 of an inch thick. Kind of thicker than I was hoping for. 22 inches wide. This is going to be what I make the china out of. I don't really know how it's going to sound, but I guess we're going to find out together. So I have my center circle drawn for my bell. I'm going to work on the bell first, get the bell formed, and then I'm going to work my way from the bell out. it is. This is the finished project. This took me an enormous amount of time to complete, which explains why it took me so long to make this upload. Now, I'll be honest, I wasn't quite happy with the outcome when I first finished the cymbal, but after playing with it for a little while, it grew on me, and I experimented with it, which ultimately led to stacking a cymbal on it. It can only really be used as an effect cymbal, which is all I was going for to begin with. So we're going to go ahead and jump right on into the sound test. Well, here it is, the finished project. This took forever to complete. You have no idea. Maybe you do, because it took a little while for this to be uploaded. I tried to keep the video under 15 minutes, and I'm pretty sure I accomplished that. I don't know. We'll see in editing. The intro. If you were wondering what the intro was about, that was me calling this thing trash. I didn't like it in the beginning. Since then, it has grown on me enormously. I realized when I sat down to play with it that it's a very unique accent cymbal. I like unstacked better than stacked. And it's because of that really church bell gong sound that it has. This isn't the last that we're going to see of the cymbal. I feel like there's plenty of ways to take it to the next level. I was thinking maybe either doing some holes and making it an ozone cymbal, or adding a bunch of rivets all over it, giving it that sizzle to add some little extra razzle-dazzle. If you liked the stacked better or unstacked better, let me know what you thought about it. If you have any ideas of how to take it to the next level, go ahead and leave some comments. If you just enjoyed the video, go ahead and like it, because this took forever to complete. I said that like probably 3 times by now. At the end of it all, it was worth it, and I'm happy with it. It's very possible for any one of you to be able to do this. It just takes a little time and a little effort. But never stop playing. Eat, beat, sleep, repeat. Never stop.